Welcome to Karmapala. Hope you people are completely going through the advices given to all of you the last few episodes. Today also we are going to discuss about it in little bit detailed manner. Now many people again fail to understand what is this program is all about. The questions, answers which has come through mails and phone calls clearly establishes people want to know what it is. I told it is a simple exercise of controlling your mind. I would now go one step ahead and tell you should start practicing controlling your mind. What is that practice that you want to do it? It is just keep your mind calm for 5 minutes in the morning. At least start doing 5 minutes in the morning whenever you get time. Just keep completely think about nothing. It will take some time, but completely think about nothing. Your mind will calm. In case if you are not in a position to do even this, then you should start chanting within your mind Om, Om, Om. This is something else, the mantra which gives you a power within you. So this Omkara is common to everybody. It is not particularly attached to some religion or some caste. So chanting this Omkara is something which gives a blissful cleanliness within your mind. You will find that in a short while, once you start chanting Om, when you inhale and then exhale completely Om. So till your exhale continues, you chant that Om, A-U-M, that is how you pronounce it. So once you start chanting, this is a simple exercise. So I want to make specifically the way I see my mind every day inside what is there. So I want to tell what I experience. So in case if you have any confusion, so you can write it to our mail ID like other viewers have asked so many questions. So I would like to come back to the important aspect of this the episode, which is again coming back to the time. The impasse of time, which is not controllable within our limits, is controlled by some power. That's what we know. Try as many times as you want, you will not get till it is written in your destiny that you have to get by this minute, this second, this fraction of a second. So be that be, make your attempts. That's what Bhagavad Gita says, that you make your attempts, don't expect any fruits. As I said, you have to expect fruits, but you have to keep doing your initiatives, you have to take your initiatives, you have to keep doing your work. So for that purpose, the time when you are practicing this, the time is something else which will evolve around. What happens in case the time is getting prolonged? So you will have paucity of time. During this paucity of time, what you will get is some confidence level to bear with the time, your bad time. Time is what? Your good time and bad time. Everybody knows when your good time comes, when your bad time comes. It is not just like that. I am telling you, safe landing and take off. When you take off, you know you are going to take off. That's what you are going to fly above 30,000 feet. When you are come down also, you will come to know that you are going to come down, but it won't happen immediately. For takeoff, it will take at least 15-20 minutes to go and reach 30,000 feet, and landing also it will take more than half an hour time for you to land safely. So this is what the time is, the good time or the bad time. The same way you come to know, you experience it. So once you know that you are getting all good signs, that you are moving towards the direction of good signs, please experiment with small risks. Take some small risks that may pay you off. If you take some small risk, for example, so if you are having 100 rupees, so you want to put something, test it out. That 100 rupees, if you put 10 rupees, it may get you 20 rupees if your time is good. That is a testing way of practicing it. That is, the indications are good. You will come to know. So when the indications are bad, when you knock the door of the people who are staying in the house also, they will not open up. So during that time, don't even put anything else. That is a wise thing. See, temptations are always there. Nobody can stop the bad time. The only thing what you are practicing this Karmapala program is to control your mind and get a comfort level and confidence level to face the bad times or the evil forces. This is something which is important for you. Today I am just going to read out the practical experiences from some of our viewers who have sent from all across the globe. So I would just like to go through this. Some of our viewers are our own Indians who stay abroad also, some of our people who are within India also. So I am just going through the first message which has come from one Mr. Ramu Veerappan from New Jersey. This man has sent a message, a mail, saying that while the practice of time, meditation, these things work in India, but in a state like yours, it doesn't work because everything is system driven and everything is on the basis of your performance and the social security, everything else. So can you apply this only to India or also it is applicable to all over the globe? Thank you, Mr. Ramu Veerappan, because you have raised this question. The first question that you asked, your time is good, that's what you are in US, you are in New Jersey. So your time is good. So when your time is good, you will not feel that nothing. When you are flying 30,000 feet, you are going, your flight is going with smooth sailing, you will sleep also, you don't know. Once the turbulence comes, you cannot even sit. So that is what it is. You are good. So touch wood, you be happy there and you practice. Even then, you will come to know this self-control is something else which you have to establish. So this is not east or west, or you say India or abroad. It is a universal law. This applies to everybody. This is not only applies to the people who practice in India. Please understand, once you start practicing this, you will definitely get the confidence level. Who knows? You may one day become a Bill Gates type of a fellow in US. That power is there within you. You may not be able to know how to capitalize that. So this is something else. Don't think that what you enjoy is that what you are destined. Your destiny may be more. Having said that, your every comma full stop is written, so nothing can be changed. But to cut it short to your question, it applies to every human, whomsoever it is, lives all across the globe. I hope I clarified your stand. Now second, we have got Rajesh Mathur from Lucknow. So this person is writing, dear sir, I am practicing the Karmapala meditation for more than a week now, but still I am not able to get the desired result. My mind is still wavering and I am not in a position to come out of my problems. Please suggest the way forward. Mr. Mathur, the question you have asked, I can understand the fear in you. So once you have the fear, you are not practicing it properly. That is very simple fact that I can able to understand. I am only visualizing what could have gone within you. What I am telling you are doing is something different. What I am telling is, I am telling this way you can drive the car. Ultimately, you have to drive the car, right? The destination you have to reach, not me. I can tell, please take this vehicle is good, this vehicle have super engine power, this vehicle has a good horsepower, and this is having a good shock absorbers. These are all the things which I can design about and tell about in a car. But you are the person who has to ride the car. So once if you start riding the car, you are asking me a question, I don't know whether I will reach the destination or not. I only told 1 week. It can happen one day also. If it is taking time, don't think that 1 week it has to come. But if your expectation is there within your mind, within 1 week I have to get, sorry, this won't work like that. What you can't do, you please confess to me that in 5 minutes you don't think anything other than see your mind. You will see your mind. Once you see your mind, you will get some blissful, feeling within your center of your eyebrow, which we call it as third eye, which was spiritually I am not going into so deeply. So you get this feeling inside in the center of your eyebrow. You get that yes, you got a control of your mind. I hope I clarified your doubt. So please ask me any questions further, and I am ready to assist you. If you are interested, you please tell me. I will explain it to you how to make this practice very simply. As I said, please start chanting this Om. Please don't have expectations. The expectations if you have, then your practice will be different. You are doing only to control your mind. That's what we are helping it. No influence we are making you in the way that you want to achieve things. This is only if to realize every minute of yours is designed, it is drafted, it is clearly articulated, but only thing you have the confidence level to drive or to live. Why some people are fearless, why some people have always fear, this is what it is. So I sense some fear in you, please come out of it, and nothing is going to happen. It's all the time which has to pass through. Hope I clarified your doubt. Now, as I said, we are getting very interesting mails. So we have filtered some of the mails, we have written replies to them. I am taking only few mails to make you people to understand what sort of a thinking you have. So simply you make it, whichever the questions, whichever, I have no problem, you write it. You want to take 1 crore within a week, please write it. But I am not a person who is from the bank, I can guarantee that. But only thing is that come out of, first you open up, you order a menu, what is that going to come to you, the universe will give you. That is what I am trying to tell. Last but not one important and very important question has come from Rangnath from Bididi in Karnataka. This gentleman is asking, please do let me know whether you have a school. Please do let me know whether we can come and learn from there. This is not the school, Mr. Rangnath, please understand. We are only explaining you how to do it through online. There is no fees for it. I am not a Guruji. I am not a spiritual leader. I am not an astrologer. As I said, keep away from all these things and take the superpower within you. That's what I am trying to tell you. You are in Bididi, so you have nice places there to go and do meditation. So only thing is that focus on yourself and come out of it. I don't have any schools, I don't have any ashrams or something else, and I am not a Guruji. I am only actually sharing the experiences of me and some of the people whom I have interacted with. So hope I clarified this to you. Viewers, please make sure that your questions are crisp, because what happens, don't beat around the bush. Straight away anything you ask, I am saying whatever your intent. You say that I am attempting to make 100 crores deal, or I am attempting to get to a girl married or something else, whichever the way you want to ask her. If you are neglected, if you are not looked at it, that is all no remedy. But only thing is that you start practicing this self-confidence level, and self-realization level will come sooner. That is very long way to go, but still I would say that you start getting into controlling your mind. With this, I close this week's chapter, today's episode, and looking forward to see you in the next episode. Thank you.